Anthony again from Pest Protection Plus, and today I'm going to talk to you about insect monitors and their placement. We first start out by putting the current date and technician's name for tracking purposes. We'll peel back the glue board, exposing the glue. This allows insects to travel across the glue and be stuck to the trap. We'll fold the trap into shape. And we place these traps in sensitive areas where there's either heat, moisture, or food sources. This could be areas beside a fridge, underneath a sink, or beside a microwave. This allows us to track insect activity and to select the appropriate service for eradication.